Cowboy and I were coming home from HEB and the Harley dealership, and happened to be coming down through Old Town Spring, and they've got these sitting out here. Gauge restraint measure vehicle, and Federal Railroad Administration Office of Safety. Cowboy, what do you think of that? That's pretty cool, huh? Over there, yeah. We gotta watch, because you never know what you're gonna see over here. So we just thought we'd do a little videotape. That's pretty cool, I thought. Roll the window down there and get a better shot. And we'll do one more turn around here. Gas restraint measurement vehicle, Federal Railroad Administration. And there you go, Union Pacific.